Ready to dive into a world of mobile gaming goodness directly on your Windows 10 PC? Alright, let's get started and download the TapTap platform for your Windows 10 operating system. So first we must open our favorite web browser, like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Now, in the search bar, go ahead and type TapTap download and hit enter. You should see a variety of search results, but make sure to select the official TapTap website. Look for a link that redirects you to the official TapTap website. Once you found the correct website, click on the download button for Windows. After clicking download, the TapTap setup file will start downloading from your browser's download settings in the top right corner or bottom left corner. Just click the X file when finished to start the installation. Next, a dialog box will pop up, asking if you allow the app to make changes to your device. Ensure you click yes. After that, the TapTap installation window should appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to install TapTap. If you are familiar, startup location, change it to your choice or stay in the default location. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the TapTap icon on your desktop or within your Windows Start menu. Double-click the icon to launch the platform and there you have it. You've now successfully installed and now have TapTap on your Windows 10 PC. Now you can freely enjoy all the games and services that TapTap has to offer on your computer. Happy gaming, everyone.